Hi everyone, a lot of people have been asking how I create my movie and TV edits. So today, I'm going to show you my complete editing workflow from start to finish. The first step is watching the entire episode or movie. For this project, I edited scenes from I Am Legend. Before I start editing, I decide on the video's main theme. This time, I focused on the emotional moments between the main character and his dog. As I watched the film, I analyzed the story structure and select the most interesting, emotional, and dramatic scenes that work best for short-form videos. Once I've chosen the footage, I import the original movie into my editing software and completely restructure the pacing. This isn't just about trimming clips. I redesign the way the story is presented. I remove slower moments, keep the strongest scenes, and rearrange the footage to create a faster, more engaging flow for short-form content. After the rough cut is finished, I choose background music and adjust the timing of each shot to match the beat. To make the video even more satisfying to watch, I also create a beat drop at the ending to give it a stronger rhythm. Next, I clean up the audio to make the dialogue sound clearer and more natural. Then I create the subtitles, carefully reviewing every line for accuracy. After that, I add an adjustment layer for some basic color correction. Once the edit is complete, I import everything into After Effects for the visual effects stage. To improve the viewing experience, I apply head tracking to every layer. I use the track motion feature like this. If the footage is too shaky for tracking, I animate it manually using position keyframes instead. After all the shots are finished, I pre-compose the clips used for the beat transitions. Then I add scaling and speed ramp effects. Next, I fine-tune the keyframes. At the first beat, I create a white solid layer and animate its opacity. This creates a flash transition. All of these steps significantly transform the original footage and help create the unique visual style of my channel. Once the visual effects are complete, I move on to color grading. By adjusting the colors, contrast, and overall look, the final video becomes visually distinct from the original footage. After exporting the edit, I use SVFI for frame interpolation. Next comes the subtitle animation. I import the subtitles into a composition and design dynamic subtitle animations that make the story easier to follow. Then I import the interpolated video. I choose a suitable font for every line of dialogue. After that, I apply different color effects to the subtitles. I also add fade in, fade out, and tracking animations to every subtitle. Then I fine-tune the keyframes once again. Finally, I choose an entrance animation for each subtitle. The last step is adding the title, channel branding, and the final subtitle effects before exporting the project. I also use Topaz Video AI to further improve the video's smoothness and overall image quality for a better viewing experience. From selecting the scenes to the final export, each video usually takes several hours to complete. The process involves much more than technical editing. It's about redesigning the story's pacing, visual presentation, and overall viewing experience. And that's my complete workflow for creating movie and TV edits. Thanks so much for watching, and thank you for all your support. I'll see you in the next video.